take a beat, change the topic. It's
Yeah.
hard when we make these
Great
pivots.
for outdoor activities like that.
It is. It's a lot of heavy news happening today, but
Yeah.
you know, it's interesting. The weather has every now and then worked out in our favor. I wouldn't be remiss to say that I think Jimmy probably had a hand in yesterday's gorgeous weather for that game too.
Right, all the
Perfect.
sunshine.
He loves that
Yeah.
stuff.
I mean,
so.
they did lose a pass in the sun, right? And there's
yeah.
some sun placed just right.
That was a miracle, by the way. I mean,
Yes.
if the sun is, I don't know, 2 minutes, 3 minutes the other way, either way, the sun's not in the receiver's eyes.
That's very true. And you know what? When we change the clocks this weekend, that sun is going to look a little different into
Yes,
this
it
time
will.
next week. Our sunset time this evening is a little closer to 6:25, 6:30. So by next week at this time, reality is going to hit hard in that the sunset is going to be closer to about right now as we get into next week. For the time being, for today at least, we've got another hour or so of daylight to enjoy, and we've got some nice fall weather out there. Temperatures are in the 60s. We've got a few more clouds than we had over the weekend, but those temperatures are warmer. Our dew points are still very low, so it still feels very comfortable out there. Check that out. The dew point is just 28 degrees. That's part of why we had that chilly start this morning. We had clear skies overnight, calmer winds, and those low dew points. The temperature is incredibly cold if you were out first thing this morning, even some upper 20s for those inland areas. Those temperatures, especially those overnight lows as well, will be trending upward as we go through the middle part of the week here. There's a little bit of that cloud cover. Nothing that's going to be super impactful. We'll just notice some clouds and maybe a really nice sunset out there this evening. A lot of clouds through the central part of the country, and then we've got more activity back towards the Rockies and out towards the west. That's going to be heading our way and potentially change things up and give us some messy conditions in time for Halloween. So as we track towards Halloween, we're going to watch this bigger system developing and heading our way. It's going to bring us the chance for some rain Thursday and also transition us from warm to colder temperatures for the latter part of the week. Between now and then, though, we get to enjoy those warmer temperatures. So not as cold tonight. We will have plenty of clouds. Temperatures no 30s, no 20s. Will only drop back to about 50 degrees for most locations. We will have the chance for a couple of showers by the time we get into tomorrow morning, part of a warm front that's going to be moving through. Behind that warm front, we're going to see some changes as we go through the day tomorrow. That wind is going to pick up coming in from mainly the south. We could have some of those gusts over 30 miles per hour at times, especially as that front works through in the morning. And then we'll keep that breezy atmosphere as we go through the rest of the day and really even to the next few days, all the way through Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. But that wind is going to be a very warm one for us, so it's going to help our temperatures out considerably. National Design Right hour by hour forecast. There's that chance for a couple of brief showers, maybe a brief rumble of thunder first thing tomorrow morning as that front pushes through. Temperatures already better by about 20 degrees or more for most of us first thing tomorrow morning. As we go through the day, we're drier by lunchtime. That front is through. That wind is going to take over and really just continue to boost our temperatures. We'll make it well into the 70s through tomorrow afternoon, so it's going to feel very, very warm for this time of the year, potentially close to record highs. Similar conditions on Wednesday, a warmer start to the day. We'll call it a mix of sun and clouds, and temperatures well into the mid to even upper 70s on Wednesday. That is going to come crashing down on Thursday. We've got our cold front that's going to move through. It's going to bring that chance for showers. It's also going to bring some gusty winds into the second part of Thursday and that chance for rain, which is something to keep in mind, especially for trick-or-treat plans and things on Thursday evening. Rest of that Union Home Mortgage forecast. Our cold front moves through on Thursday. It's going to push rain until later in the day, and it's also going to mean a very big change in temperatures by about 20 degrees or more. We're back into the 50s for Friday and Saturday. Jay?
Okay, Jess, thank you very much.